Hello and welcome back to our channel Salesforce Biz. In this video, we will discuss about how to create a custom object from a spreadsheet and also we will import the records. So let's quickly log in to Salesforce org. After login, directly go to the object manager and click on the create button. We have already discussed about creating a custom object from a Salesforce org in our previous video. Now click on the create custom object from spreadsheet. It will again navigate you to this page. Click on login with Salesforce and enter your credential and click on login. If you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to allow. Click on allow button and then you will land to this page. You can select your spreadsheet from Google Drive or Google Sheet also. I have saved my doc in local machine, so I will use this first option. This name or the file name will be the object name. First row will be the field's name. Customer columns save the customer name and this email columns will save the customer email ID. Type saves the type of vehicle. This column will save the color and this remaining 3 columns will just save the yes or no response. So let's quickly upload the documents. Now you can see every column name has been detected automatically. These are the names from spreadsheet. These are the names that will be stored in object as fields. You can also change the name of that will be stored in object. This is the first row data details. Based on this data present in spreadsheet, field type will be populated automatically. Like for yes or no, it will be populated with boolean data type. You can see. Now you can also change the field type as per your requirement. If this data type is not correct, then you can change. This field label row defines in the spreadsheet in which row you have mentioned the field name. Like you can see here 1 is mentioned. Similarly, when you will see the spreadsheet in the row number 1, I have mentioned the field's name. Object creator will automatically detect the encoding format for your file. For more details about encoding, please check description. Value separated by. It defines how you have prepared your data in spreadsheet. For now, we have made a table, but in CSV file, we can also prepare data without a table. You can prepare data separated by comma, semicolon or tab. Based on that, encoding will detect your data. Field label source defines the naming method of fields, how you want to enter the name. If it is detect from row, then it will take the name from row number mentioned like 1. Otherwise, in the case of enter manually, you have to enter by yourself. If you want to import the records of table along with the object creation, then you select yes, import data. I am selecting yes as I want to import the record also while creating this custom object. You can view the records mapping by clicking on this view icon. You can see all records has been populated and mapped correctly. In our previous video, we have explained about record name. You can select one of these available fields as record name. Otherwise, it will create a new field for record name. I am selecting customer field as record name. Now, click on the next button. You can see label and plural label of the custom object have been populated from the spreadsheet. If you want to change it, you can also change the labels. Leave the API name as default. You can give description also. Some advanced settings are also available here. You can change it as per your requirements. Launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. This feature is not available here because it will create a custom tab by default for this custom object. You can also change the other setting after creating this object from object manager. Click on the finish button. Nice work. You have successfully created object from a spreadsheet. You will get an email notification also that your import has finished. Now go to the object manager and refresh the page and search for the object you just created. You can see the object is present in object manager with type of custom object. Open the object and check in fields and relationship. All fields are available that we gave in spreadsheet. You can see for customer, field name is name only, because we gave customer as record name. Great. It's time to see the records we have imported from spreadsheet. Click on the app launcher in the left top corner and search for the tab with object name and click on that. You will navigate to the vehicle interest custom tab page. Change the view from recently to all. You can see all records that were present in spreadsheet now available in your org with the exact count. We will discussing about field and relationship in our next video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for next update. Thanks for watching.